Hey students, welcome back. This is Rinkoo. You're watching me on my channel Learn with Rinkoo Ma'am. Today I'm going to teach you the sentences in which we make use of contraction of will. Will is used in future tense sentences. Stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel. Very soon I'll come up with tenses in English grammar. Hey, did you just notice what I just used? I'll means I will. Yes, our today's topic is all about making use of the contraction using will. So with this, let's get started.
Here is the first example. I plus will becomes I'll. I'll make dinner soon. The next one, he plus will becomes he'll. He'll be late for the meeting today. The third example, she plus will becomes she'll. She'll wash the clothes after breakfast. The next example, it plus will becomes it'll. It'll be a great wedding. The next one, you plus will becomes you'll. You'll have a great time at my party. The next example, we plus will becomes we'll. We'll go to Goa in May. Another example, they plus will becomes they'll. They'll visit their aunt in the winter.
Contraction of will is also used in negative sentences. Will plus not becomes won't. Let's check one last example.
I won't go to school tomorrow. So this is how we make use of contractions using will.
I hope now you will make use of these contractions confidently. I'm absolutely sure you'll like my video and share with your friends and family. Hit the bell icon, it will notify you whenever I upload my new interesting video. Till then, you take care. I'll make another video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Yours only, Rinkoo Ma'am, signing off.